We're here in Minneapolis and we're talking with Matt Cook, who's a specialist on basement conversions. Now, one thing that all basements have in common, you got to get down to the basement area. And do you ever have any problems with any of the existing stairs that you work with complying with all the codes?
Typically we don't. Most of the basements are built when the home's built with intention for them to be finished at some point. So most of the codes are met. In older homes, occasionally you run into an issue where they need to meet certain width requirements, certain height requirements, and have enough distance at the bottom of the stairs to create a proper clearance.
I see. Okay.
One of the problems we do run into, though, is making the proper flooring selections at both the top and the bottom of the stairs.
Now, how does that affect it then? I mean, I see you have carpet running all the way down, but how would some other flooring affect that?
The rule is that the stairs have to be within a consistent height of each other as far as the risers go, going up and down. So if you've got a certain height going all the way down, and then all of a sudden you add something here at the bottom of the stairs that's different than that, it throws it off.
Okay, so like a hardwood, a 3/4 inch hardwood, which of course is never a good idea in a basement, but a thicker floor, then you really running into some problems.
Yeah, you could potentially have to rebuild the entire set of treads in order for that finish to work.
Yeah, homeowner doesn't want to hear that, do they?
No, no. Another thing with stairways is that they have a tendency to feel like a real dark tunnel effect. And so when we finish a basement, we always open up the space if possible. This load right here is structural, so we're able to carry that load between these 2 points and open this up and put a handrail in here. And the idea is to kind of give it that welcoming effect, like you're walking into the foyer of the home on the main level and you see a nice spindle and rail coming into the space.
This definitely looks a lot better than if you had left just the wall there.